Hello friends, welcome to another video from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Tan. If you are a freelancer from these Southeast Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, you must have seen this occur to you or happen to you very often. Now, when you go and talk to a client from outside, like from America or Australia or UK, they often, I'm not saying everybody, but then often you'll find majority of those clients would want to pay you less because they think that the people from or the freelancers from the developing nations, they do not deserve the same amount as they would pay somebody from US or UK or even Australia. What's the reason? The reason that they show or they tell you is that your cost of living probably is much lesser than somebody staying in Australia or UK or some European countries. And because of that, they want to pay you less. But understand this is not how business is to be done. Okay, if somebody tells you that they're going to pay you less because you are from India or Pakistan or Bangladesh, do not take that as a standard in the market. It is not a standard. It is only those few buyers who want to pay less, whatever the reasons, and they're trying to find out a reason that would probably make you believe that yeah, whatever they're saying is correct. It is not correct. The market is not working like that. Okay, that's one thing. The second thing is that it's a very important thing for the freelancers, for every freelancer, whether he's from Australia or in England or anywhere else. Everybody should know his own worth. He should know how much experience I have, how much skills I have, okay, and based on that you should be able to rank yourself, or based on that you should be able to rate yourself. That's very, very important. Once you know your worth, do not sell yourself for less. Please, this is a very, very earnest request. This also does not harm you alone. It harms the entire nation or entire group of freelancers from these developing nations. How? Because if you're giving better services, if you're giving a higher quality services for lesser price, what happens is obviously you will get more clients. That's one thing. But second thing is that the market itself goes down. Next time the client comes, he does not work with you, he does not want to work with you for some reason, he wants to go to a different freelancer, he would expect that that person also would work much for less, which is not the right ideal scenario. It should not be the ideal scenario. Anyways, not talking about that. That is something is up to the person. It's a kind of moral thing that I'm talking about. Not everybody works in that way. Okay, not everybody thinks in that way. So I leave that to you completely. But then what I'm talking about is that do not sell yourself for short. Do not sell yourself for less than what you are worth of. Okay, so if somebody comes to you, if some client comes to you saying that you are from India or you are from Pakistan, where $1 is like 70 rupees, in Pakistan $1 is like 120 rupees. So in that case, I would pay you less because your standard, I mean your lifestyle or your standard of living or your cost of living is much lesser than somebody who's working from UK. That is not your lookout. You as a freelancer should always ask for the price that is going on the market. Okay, if a graphic designer is paid at around $40 to $50 per hour, and if you are a graphic designer and you know that you are a good designer or you have good skills in that, you should not ask for less. You should not provide your services for much lesser than that. Okay, so that is the point in this video. Please understand that the market is not what these guys are coming and trying to set up. Market is where there are a lot of people who are actually getting paid on that rate, that $40 to $50 per hour rate. Okay, so do your bit, do your research, find out how much you are worth of. It's not about only comparing with somebody else. It's also about your position, your experience. Obviously somebody who's just starting today, he cannot ask for $40 or $50 an hour, right? He'll not be able to get that much. But you should know, okay, I have worked in that line. I've been freelancing for maybe 10 years, and I have earned those skills. I've learned Photoshop, I've learned Corel Draw, and I know other InDesign, After Effects, so many other things, and I can actually provide an output or a product to my client which will value that much, which may deserve something like $100 or $120 or $150. Don't sell that product for $5 on Fiverr. That is the point. Okay, so there are a lot of people. Today I was actually going through a Facebook post where I found somebody from Philippines, I think. He made a post saying that why do these clients from big countries like USA, Australia, they want to pay you less because you are from a developing nation. Okay, so that is what came to my mind, and I thought that I'll make a video on that particular topic. So it is very clear. When I started long back, obviously I started less. I did not start asking for much more money when I started. It was like 10 years or 15 years back. But then now when I go to a client, I tell them that this is my rate, and this is what for this kind of work, this much I ask per hour, and that's where our discussion or our conversation begins. Okay, it's very, very important, because your client would know your worth. Okay, he should not think that you're not deserving of that kind of money what he's paying. If that comes to the client's mind, trust me, your project, your life with that client, or your interactions with the client are not going to be very happy. Okay, so again, fix your rule, know what your worth is, and ask for a price that actually respects that worth. Okay, so that's all I wanted to say in this video. I hope you understood the concept. If there is anything about this, regarding this, or anything you want to know about freelancing, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, because I create these kind of videos about earning money online, freelancing, and all those things relevant, and you will get a lot of information like this in my channel. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a like, and let me know in your comments what are the different things that bothers you when you are doing freelancing in India. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.